Hi everyone, I'm Christy.
And I'm Emily.
And I'd like to introduce you to the Go 5 XSE from Simrad.
It's quick, it's super easy to use, and it's very convenient. Okay, this is the Go 5 5-inch. It also comes in a 7. We're looking at the home screen right now. You have all your apps, just like on your smartphone, just as easy to use. If we look at the chart, you can pan back and forth, pinch to zoom in and zoom out. That's called the multi-touch feature. It's very convenient. Pull down straight from the top to see your system controls, everything from settings to standby to brightness and even night mode. So you can see where you're going at any kind of light. If you go back up into the upper left-hand corner, straight back to home base. Now we're going to explore the Instruments app where you have your dashboard, your speed over ground, depth, heading, direction, and you can even go into the menu in the right-hand corner, press change layout, and then you can customize your instruments to your own personal preferences and mirror exactly what's going on in your boat.
Let's take a closer look at our expanded Sonar Edition features. Here on our Sonar button, this should look like a very similar screen to what you're accustomed to, or Fish Finder screen. Here we're able to use our track back feature to go back in time. What's great is that you can actually create a new waypoint and save it and go back to at a later date. Here you're also able to change the frequency from broadband to high chirp to medium chirp. We're going to go back to our home screen here and take a look at the additional sonar features, also known as our structure. It's going to be a higher frequency imaging. It's going to give you better picture-like images on the bottom. Here you're able to adjust your views from down to left to right to view the different sides of the boat. And then we're going to go back here to our home screen. Here I'm going to show you how easy it is to customize your viewing panel. On the right hand side, if we click Add, it brings you to a page editor where you can view all of the different features. Sticking with our sonar functions, we're going to drag and drop our echo and structure panels. Here we can adjust the view and drag and drop to the position we'd like to keep them in. This is a great way to see our total scan transducer, combining echo and structure all into one screen. If we save these, we're able to view them at the same time. Clicking back into the home screen, you can see that it adds it as a favorite to your right-hand panel.
An additional feature that the Simrad Go 5 sports is the Trip Intel, which can be located on the lower left-hand panel. Once pulled up, it should show a map of your current location, and you can track your history from start to stop for all the trips you've taken. It also displays the fuel economy based on your throttle usage and how many miles you have until empty.
As you can see, with the Simrad Go 5, wherever you go, you can go with confidence.
See you guys out on the water.